Say hi.
Ahmad, show. What is this?
A rooster.
This?
Ducks.
Baby duck.
The baby ducks.
And guineafowl.
Guinea fowl.
With Tunner the cowboy, and Mr. Black. What is this?
Peacock.
Peacock. Hello, I am Black. This is Tunner's ranch. This is the bird section. Guinea fowls, chickens, ducks, and a peacock. Well, hey, Phil. Ahmad, what is this? What is this?
This is a dog.
Woof, woof. I will turn the animals against you with Jevon's help. I'm not having a good day. It was so hard to get them back inside. If you do it one more time, I'm gonna crash. What are you gonna do? Ahmad, hold up camera. I'm sorry, I'll go now.
Say bye.
Boy.
Bye.
Well, bye, folks. That's all. Yibbity-oo. Yibbity-oo. We should probably shut that off.